this is how you can make your Google Docs document available to comment by pretty much anyone. So I have this document that is private, meaning I'm the only one who can see and edit this document, but I want to share this document to my friend or my colleague, and I want them to be able to add suggestions in this document. So to do that, just go to the share button, and then under the general access, let's change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. After that, you want to change the role from viewer to commenter. This will allow them to comment on the document. And by the way, you can also just assign a specific email address that will have access to the document. And also you can change the role to viewer or commenter. And when you're done, you can just copy link like that. And just to show you a quick demonstration, I'm going to open a new private window that I'm not signed in, meaning that anyone can send a comment, can give a comment on the document. So let's say I want to click on this area, select this area, and I want to add a comment to be, please change this. And I'm going to click comment. Okay, this is completely anonymous. I'm not logged in. This is an incognito window, but let's see what's going to happen to the person that owns the document. And as you can see here, this is my account, and there is a comment from anonymous person. Nobody knows who this person is. So this is, I think, a really great way to collaborate with a lot of people. But of course, if the person who opens the document log in with their Google account, then their name should appear here as well. So that's how you can share your Google Docs document and allow people to comment on it.